Hi traders. In today's video I am going to talk about the most important factors that you should follow if you want to stay profitable in forex trading in 2023. Let's start. The number one most important factor is the following. You can't micromanage your trades if you are trading with a robot, because I see most of the traders are micromanaging their trades when they are trading with their robots, and then even with a good robot they can blow their accounts. It is because they are basically can't focus on how the robot is performing, but they are in a constant stress and panic situation, and their emotions go crazy. And I've seen this so many times when they close a trade because they think, oh, it is bad, the markets will go in an opposite direction. After that, in just 1 or 2 days, the market goes in the exact direction where the robot wanted it to go. So basically, a higher quality robot is an algorithm that was tested for at least 5 to 10 years. In better cases, 20-25 years. And every parameter and every number has its place. So when you change parameters, think about it this way. When you are closing a trade or changing the stop loss, you are changing parameters in the robot that was tested with the exact parameters that it came with out of the box, or that were in the set files. So if you change that, you change the whole setting. And based on my experience, 99% of the time, it is worse than the original one. So you won't be making money if you are changing the parameters. In other words, you are closing trades here and there, you are opening trades, you change the max spread filter, the stop loss. The second thing is that traders should do if they want to be profitable in 2023 is don't chase volatility. Don't chase the exact pairs that have the highest danger index, because that way you will be just losing your money and your mind. And if you want to live off your brain, it is not a good thing at all. So, and I see this so many times. Traders ask me the same things about these high volatility pairs and if I have sets for them. It is not always bad to use high volatility pairs in your trading, but then you have to weight your lot sizes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments and subscribe to my amazing channel.